To replace the coils, you will need to remove the side engine panels, red arrows. They share push-pull pins with the front panel, blue arrows. You will want to remove the airbox lids to get access to the coils. Begin by separating the down tube from the airbox. Use a T30 Torq and turn the plastic fasteners until you can pull them up and out, red arrows. With the fasteners turned so the bottom tab lines up with the top, you can push them out from below or pull them out from the top with pliers. With the fasteners removed, you can see the bottom tab and how it needs to line up with the slot in the holder indicated by the red arrows. Next, unclip the two metal retaining clips, red arrows. There is a vent line on the right side airbox. You can just move out of the way, red arrow. Wiggle the down tube out from the airbox lid, red arrow, and slide the lid away from the box, then up and out. Remove the lid fully. We are showing the left side, the right is similar. Use an E10 and remove the two screws holding the harness in place, red arrows. The AC line interferes with the E10 bolt on the rear harness, so I used an 8mm wrench. They're not on tight, so you should have no problem. Press in on the release tabs and slide the wiring connection down and off of the coils, red arrows. On the right side, you can access the coils without moving the upper engine brace, but if you would like more room, use a T50 Torq and a 16mm wrench and remove the upper hardware, red arrow, and loosen the lower, blue arrow. You can now pivot the brace up and out of the way. Use a T27 Torq and remove the single screw holding each coil in place, red arrow. The screw will remain in the coil and can be used to help remove the coil from the engine. Pull the coil straight out from the engine. There is no way to tell a coil is bad by looking at it other than if it has physical damage. Some people like to put dielectric grease on the electrical connection, red arrow, and on the top of the spark plug where it meets the coil. I do not recommend either. Installation is the reverse of removal, and the coil screws are torqued to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.